Good morning class, welcome to GK class, and today the topic that we are going to do is Indian author and poets. You will write down the date and you will write down the class as I have written. Here we are continuously studying from several videos. We are continuously studying about books, great writers and they great work that they have done. In this video, we are going to study about some of the Indian writers who had done a wonderful work in their field. So, without any delay, let's start with the work. The first one says, yes, the exercise says, let me read the exercise for you. The exercise says, write the name of these Indian author, take the help from the given clues. So, here you are having the clues. You can take the help from the clue to complete the work. The first one says, he was a classical dramatist and a poet in Sanskrit literature. He was one of the Navratna in court of Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Plays Abhijantam, Shakuntalam and Meghdut are his noted work. And the right answer is Kalidas. So, we would be writing the correct answer, that is Kalidas. The next one, yes, so I have written Kalidas as the right answer. Let me read the next one for you. He was a great writer of modern Hindi and Urdu literature. His real name was Dhanpat Rai. He wrote nearly 300 stories and novels. His most famous novel is Godan in Hindi. And the right answer is Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand had been a tremendous and wonderful writer. He had wrote many books, stories, and his stories were always a comment to the society. He always hated the orthodox part of the society, and his writing and his stories have been a motivation to open the eye of the people and stop believing in the blind things that they do. So the next answer is Munshi Premchand. The right answer Premchand. Now let me read the next one. The next one says she is the first Indian woman to have won the prestigious Booker's Prize. She won this award for her book The God of Small Thing in 1997. The God of Small Thing is the only novel written by her, and the name of this writer is Arundhati Roy. She had made India really very proud by winning when she won this award, that is Booker Prize. She writes stories and comments on the society, and as like Munshi Premchand believes in opening and broadening the mindset of the peoples. So let me write the right answer for you all. So yes, here are we with the first three answers. The first answer is Kalidas, next is Premchand, and the third one is Arundhati Roy. Now let me read the question for you all. Here it says he was a poet of model Tamil literature. He was born in Tamil Nadu. He was a great patriot and a philosopher. His collection of poems Swadesh Geet was published in 1970, and he was a Tamil writer. His name was Subramaniam Bharati. So let me write the right answer for you all, Subramaniam Bharati. Here I am with the right answer. The next one is one of my very favorite writer. He was a scholar, freedom fighter, writer, and a painter. He wrote the national anthem of India. He won Nobel Prize for his literature in 1913 for Gitanjali, a collection of poems. He had written many, not several. He had written many stories, and they are actually wonderful, heart touching, emotional, sensitive stories. and definitely you can get an idea. I suppose you have guessed the right answer, because the line says he had wrote the national anthem, and he is none other but Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, so right answer I have written. Now let me read the last one. He is regarded as one of the greatest Urdu poet, Diwani Ghalib, which is 10 volumes, which is in 10 more volume is the collection of his work. He was born on 27th December in 1797. His original name was Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan, and he is known as Mirza Ghalib, whose work are generally used by many of the people, a very famous poet. So here I am there with all the correct answer. I would be sending the PDF of the correct answer to you all. Hope you complete work and show me on time. Till then, take care and have a good day.